Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to explain methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. Okay, carboxylic acids can be prepared by number of methods. It can be prepared by the following 6 methods. One method is preparation of carboxylic acids from primary alcohols and aldehydes. Second one is from alkyl benzenes. Third one from nitriles and amides. Fourth method is from Grignard reagents. And fifth method is from acyl halides and anhydrides. And the last sixth method is from esters. So we are going to explain. So one by one. Okay. So first you take, that is preparation of carboxylic acids from primary alcohols. Primary alcohols on oxidation. Primary alcohols on oxidation using oxidizing agents. Such as potassium permanganate. In acidic medium or neutral medium or basic medium or alkaline medium can be used, or you can also use potassium dichromate as well as chromium trioxide in presence of acidic medium, that is in concentrated sulfuric acid. Oxidation takes place to give carboxylic acids. That general reaction can be written as RCH2 white. This is the general formula for alcohol. Alcohol on oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate. So in alkaline or acidic or basic medium, neutral medium gives carboxylic acid, that is RCOOH plus H2O. RCOOH plus H2O. So here you should have to take 2 moles of oxygen. Okay. So this is acid. Okay. So for this reaction, if you write the examples for this reaction is that is give CH3, CH2 white. Ethyl alcohol says ethyl alcohol on oxidation in presence of oxidizing agent such as potassium permanganate in acidic or neutral or alkaline medium gives carboxylic acid. That carboxylic acid is CH3COOH plus H2O. This is acetic acid. So ethyl alcohol on oxidation gives acetic acid. Okay. Second example. If you take higher members of alcohol, that is decanol. Formula of decanol is CH3CH2 8 times CH2 white. This is decanol. So decanol on oxidation in presence of chromium trioxide. Presence of oxidizing agents such as chromium trioxide or potassium dichromate in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives decanoic acid. This is decanol. On oxidation gives decanoic acid. That is CH3CH2 8 times COOH plus H2O. This is decanoic acid. This is decanoic acid. If you take higher members of alcohol, you are going to get, that is higher members of, that is carboxylic acid, that is decanoic acid. Okay. Next is from aldehydes. General formula for aldehydes is HCHO. On oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate or nitric acid oxidation will take place to give carboxylic acid. So this is acid, this is aldehyde. Aldehyde on oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate gives carboxylic acids. Example for this reaction is if we give CH3 acetaldehyde on oxidation in presence of KMnO4 potassium permanganate gives acetic acid CH3COOH. This is acetaldehyde on oxidation gives acetic acids. So this is about preparation of carboxylic acid from primary alcohols and aldehydes. Okay. So next is preparation of carboxylic acids from alkyl benzenes. Preparation of carboxylic acids from alkyl benzenes. Okay. Alkyl benzene, using alkyl benzenes, so you can prepare aromatic carboxylic acids. You can prepare aromatic carboxylic acids. Aromatic carboxylic acids can be prepared by treating alkyl benzene with aqueous potassium hydroxide in presence of oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in acidic medium or in alkaline medium or neutral medium. So gives salts of benzoic acids. This on acidification with dilute acid, that is mineral acid, gives aromatic acids. So you take example for second method. When toluene benzene ring connected to CH3. This is alkyl benzene called as toluene, methyl benzene. Toluene is treated with potassium hydroxide. In presence of oxidizing agents potassium permanganate. So toluene is treated with potassium hydroxide in presence of oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in acidic medium or alkaline medium or neutral medium. So gives salts of, that is COOK, potassium salts of benzoic acid called as potassium benzoate plus H2O, that is 2H2O. So therefore we should have to write here, that is 3 moles. Okay, this is potassium benzoate. So potassium benzoate on acidification with mineral acids such as HCl. Potassium benzoate formed on acidification with mineral acids such as HCl gives benzoic acid. Benzene connected to COO, yet K combines with Cl, KCl. K combines with Cl, KCl. This is benzoic acids. So this is how aromatic carboxylic acids can be prepared from alkyl benzenes. You take second example for this one is A and second one is B. When propyl benzene CH2, when propyl, this is propyl benzene on treating with potassium hydroxide in presence of oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in acidic or alkaline or neutral medium gives potassium benzoate C6H5COOH plus CH3 CH2OH. CH3 CH2OH. So you take 2 moles here. You are going to get benzene ring connected to COOK plus CH3 CH2. So OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. This is potassium benzoate. So potassium benzoate formed on acidification with mineral acids such as dilute HCl gives aromatic acids, that is benzoic acid plus KCl. This is benzoic acid. Benzoic acids. So in this way we can prepare aromatic carboxylic acids from alkyl benzenes. Okay, second method is clear. Okay, next third method, that is preparation of carboxylic acids from nitriles and amides. From nitriles and amides. From nitriles and amides. So this is important. So for examination point of view, so this one is important. They have asked in the examination for 2 marks, how are carboxylic acid prepared from? That is nitriles and amides. Okay, alkane nitriles. So formula for nitriles is C triple bond N. This is nitrile. Nitrile on hydrolysis in presence of acids or base. So nitriles on hydrolysis in presence of acid or base. So gives amides. Gives amides. That is RCONH2. So nitriles is get converted to amides. Amides formed again on acid or base hydrolysis. Again, acid or base hydrolysis gives carboxylic acids, that is RCOOH plus NH3 plus NH3. This is acid, this is nitrile, this one is amide. So this is the general reaction. Okay, nitriles on hydrolysis in presence of acids or bases gives amides. So which on further hydrolysis gives carboxylic acids. Gives carboxylic acids. Okay, the examples for this third method, that is alkane nitriles. You take CH3. CH3 C triple bond N. This is ethane nitrile. This is ethane nitrile. The name of this one is ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile on hydrolysis in presence of acid or base, so gives CH3CONH2. CH3CONH2. This is acetamide. Ethanamide, IUPAC name for acetamide is ethanamide. Or you can also write acetamide. Acetamide formed again on hydrolysis in presence of acid or base gives acetic acid. CH3COOH plus NH3. This is acetic acid. This is acetic acid. So likewise, second example for this one is, so you take aromatic compound, that is benzene ring connected to C triple bond N, that is, so benzonitrile. So benzonitrile on hydrolysis in presence of acids or base. So gives benzamide. Gives benzamide. That is benzene ring connected to CO, NH2. This on further hydrolysis in presence of H plus or OH minus acid or base gives aromatic acid. Acetamide, sorry, benzamide is formed. Benzamide on further hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. This benzene ring connected to COOH plus NH3. This is benzamide. Sorry, benzoic acid. This is benzamide. On further hydrolysis, so in presence of acids or base gives benzoic acid. So this is very important. How benzoic acid prepared from benzonitrile. Benzene nitrile. If it is asked in the examination, you should have to write this equation. Okay. So next is preparation of carboxylic acids from Grignard reagents. So this is also important. So for 2 marks, it has been already asked in the examination. Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents. That is RMGX. Grignard reagents. Reacts with carboxylic acids. Sorry, reacts with carbon dioxide. Grignard reagents reacts with carbon dioxide. That is dry ice. This is called as dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide called as dry ice. In presence of dry ether. Presence of dry ether to give salts of carboxylic acids. To give salts of carboxylic acids, that is R C double bond O single bond O minus Mg X plus. This is salts of carboxylic acids. So this on hydrolysis. This on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids. This on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids gives carboxylic acids RCOOH plus MgOH. This is carboxylic acids. This is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So this is important. Grignard reagent reacts with solid carbon dioxide, that is dry ice, in presence of dry ether to give salts of carboxylic acid. So this on hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid gives carboxylic acids. So example for this one is, you give here first one a CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of dry ether to give, that is CH3 C double bond O single bond O minus Mg Br plus. Mg Br plus. So this on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acid, so gives acetic acid, that is CH3COOH plus MgBr. So this is how we prepare carboxylic acids from Grignard reagents. Okay. If we take, this is first example. This is aliphatic acids, that is acetic acid. If we take second example, that is phenyl C6H5 MgBr, phenyl magnesium bromide, that is Grignard reagent, So reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of ether to give salts of carboxylic acids, that is C6H5, C double bond O, O minus, Mg, Br plus. So this are hydrolysis in presence of dilute acid, so gives benzoic acid C6H5 COO H, C6H5 COO H plus Mg Br. Okay, so this is how benzoic acid as well as acetic acid can be prepared from Grignard reagents. Two examples we have given. Okay, next, fifth method of preparation of carboxylic acid is from acyl halides as well as anhydrides. Acyl halides as well as anhydrides. Acyl halides. Acyl halides. That is fifth method. RCOX. Acyl halides. On hydrolysis. Acyl halides on hydrolysis in presence of acid. In presence of acid. So gives carboxylic acids. RCOX is the general formula for acyl halide on hydrolysis. So gives in presence of acid gives carboxylic acids. That is RCOOH plus HX plus HX. So examples for this reaction is if we give CH3CO HCl, acetyl chloride on hydrolysis in presence of acid. This is acetyl chloride on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus H combines with Cl, HCl, acetic acid and HCl. Acetic acid and HCl. You can also prepare carboxylic acid from acid halides also. Acid halides, that is RCOX on treating with base, that is sodium hydroxide on treating with base. Sodium hydroxide gives carboxylate ion RCOONA plus HX. That is carboxylate anion, that is sodium salts of carboxylic acid plus HX. So RCOONA formed on acidification with HCl on acidification with HCl, so gives carboxylic acids RCOOH plus NaOH. So example for this reaction is you give CH3COCl, acetyl chloride on acidification with sodium hydroxide gives CH3COONA plus HCl. CH3COONA, sodium acetate. Sodium acetate formed on hydrolysis. Sodium acetate formed on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids. Gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus CH3 COOH. So first you should have to convert into acetate ions. So these are hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids gives carboxylic acids. That carboxylic acids is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to continue from acid anhydrides. Thank you.